Doctors, what are you still learning about the human body as you work in the medical field? 1. There is a second brain in your gut. It is called the enteric nervous system and has 500 million neurons, which is more than your spinal cord. It can act completely independently from the brain, and influences your mood. It's strongly suspected that this second brain affects mental health disorders like depression and anxiety, but we don't fully understand how. 2. Your brain doesn't know that you have eyeballs, but if it found out about them, your immune system would mistake it as a threat and attack it. Once that happens, it can potentially cause inflammation, vision loss, and even blindness. Doctors have been trying to figure out how this happens, but there's still a lot about the immune system that's undiscovered. 3. There are cases where a person has two different sets of DNA in their body due to absorbing a twin in the womb or undergoing organ transplants. This has led to bizarre situations, like mothers appearing to not be biologically related to their own children. Never seen anything like this myself. 4. The hippocampus is the part of your brain responsible for storing memories, and by injecting it with bioengineered stem cells, we could theoretically revive it and cure Alzheimer's. However, whenever these ideas are brought up by well-renowned doctors, they are immediately shut down without explanation. 5. Why we wake up minutes before our alarm goes off, even if the clock is set at random times. We suspect the brain has an extremely accurate internal clock, but we have no proof. 6. The liver is the only organ that can regenerate fully even if 75% of it is removed. However, it won't regenerate if you deteriorate it by eating fast food and drinking alcohol. I didn't know how to heal the liver as it advanced towards fatty liver disease, but I found an everyday liver vitamin that reverses the effects by restoring liver function. I realized that taking an everyday liver vitamin would allow people to have a healthy liver while still eating unhealthy food, and not having to worry about any internal damage.